11 method. We're going to look at exercise 14G, question 4B. Okay, so we're trying to sketch the graph of a sine. Okay, and you notice how it says this is in function notation. The domain is from 0 to 2, including 0 and 2. And the function is given by this function. Now, if I look at the amplitude, so whenever you sketch a tree graph, you look at the amplitude, that's 3. The period is 2 pi over n. Now, n is the number in front of the variable, so this will be 2 pi divided by 2 pi. Oh, the period's actually 1, because 2 pi divided by 2 pi is just 1. Okay, so every 1, so not pi, not 1 pi, just 1, you get 1 pattern of the sine graph. Okay, so when you're sketching the graph, you have to label the correct using correct variables. This is f of t, and this is t. Now, I know that one cycle is 1, okay? But we're sketching it between 0 to 2, so how many cycles can I fit into it? Okay, I'm going to fit 2 cycles in. And obviously I can draw 2 graphs there. Now, each cycle, I'm going to divide into quarters. Okay, so this will be a half. A half of a half is a quarter. Okay, this will be 3/4. Okay, so the easiest way I like to split or work out the scale: 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4. So 5 on 4, 6/4. 6/4 is the same as 3/2, and then 7/4, and then 8/4 is obviously 2. Okay, so that's how you work out the fractions of the scale. Once you work out what one of the units are, you can just count it like that. So this is half. Now I know it's going from 0. The amplitude's 3, so I'm going from +3 to -3, and it's a positive sine graph. So positive sine graphs, you go from the median, then the max, median, minimum, and then back to the median. That's one cycle. Okay. Now you don't finish because we're drawing 2 cycles of that. So median, max, median, minimum, median. So all I need to do is draw. Very good. Just and then your graph is done. Okay, just try to be more accurate. This is in pencil, obviously, just in case you make a mistake. Very easy to accidentally draw it in the wrong spot, and you're done. That's your sine graph. Okay, so methodically, amplitude, period. Once you get your period, you can work out your scale. Okay, if there's fractions involved, just find what one unit is. So one unit, one space happens to be a quarter. So you go 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, 7/4, 8/4, and that makes it a lot easier than having to find out what a value in between two values are. Okay, so hopefully that helps.